Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you having trouble with your iMessage on your iPhone? Whether your messages aren't sending or delivering, I will help you fix it step by step. In this tutorial, we will troubleshoot common iMessages issue and get you back to testing seamlessly. Step 1 is to check your internet connection. iMessage require Wi-Fi or cellular data to work. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have a cellular enabled. You can test your connection by opening a browser or app to see if it loads. Step 2 is to ensure your iMessage is enabled. Check if iMessage is turned on. Go to Settings, then you go to Messages. Now you ensure your iMessage is toggled on. If it's already on, turn it off and back on again. Step 3 is to check your date and time settings. Inaccurate date and time setting can cause iMessage to stop working. Go to Settings, then you go to General and Date and Time. Turn on Set Automatically to sync with your network. Step 4 is to restart your iPhone. A quick restart can fix temporary glitches on your iPhone. Hold the power button and slide to turn off and power back on. Test your iMessage again. Step 5 is to sign out and back into your iMessage. Refreshing your iMessage account can resolve syncing issues. You go to the Setting app, then you go to Messages. Go to Send and Receive. Then you tap your Apple ID at the top and select Sign Out. Wait a few seconds, then sign back using your Apple ID. Step 6 is to update your iOS. Outdated software can cause iMessage problems. Go to your Setting app, then you go to General, then Software Update and install any update available. Step 7 is to reset network setting. If the problem persists, try resetting your network settings. Head over to Setting, then General, then click on Reset and select Reset Network Settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi password, so make sure you have them handy. Step 8 is to contact your Apple support. If none of these steps work, there might be a deeper issue. Visit the Apple support website or contact them directly for further assistance. And that's all for fixing iMessage on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tips. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.